Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and today we're going to be comparing the Panasonic Toughbook FZ-55, the Panasonic's semi-rugged laptop, versus the Getac S410 semi-rugged laptop. Now, both of these are fantastic laptops. They do have a few differences, but I'm going to talk about what's the same. Both of them have very nice backlit keyboards. I love both of these keyboards. You know how I am about keyboards. As well as they both have the same size mouse pad right here. If you'll note, they're both the same. They weigh about the same amount. The handles are, I like the Getac handle a little better. It's more flexible, forms to your hand better versus the metal Panasonic's handle. But some differences. So some differences are that the Panasonic is easier to upgrade with X-Pack technology. Getac doesn't have that, but guess what Getac does have? Getac has dual batteries, whereas the Panasonic, if you want dual batteries, you've got to use the CD-ROM port to put the battery in. So, and there, it's a different battery totally. This uses the same two batteries. Now, port covers, I like the Getac port covers better than I like the Panasonic's. If you take a look, Panasonic's seem flimsier and cheaper, not as rubber sealable as the Getac. I would almost say, and I know this is not going with convention, that the Getac is a better built machine than the Panasonic Toughbook FZ-55. Yeah, I said it. This is not as good. But both of them are excellent. They both have the processing power. They're both touchscreen. Touch them in, you can have it rain on them. They're both the same IP rating. So, guys, that's all I got for you today. But leave your comments down below and let me know what you think. Like this video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you next week.